everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little unboxing for you guys. I just placed an order. Well, I didn't just place an order. Placed an order with Simply Gilded for some of their new releases, and this includes the PPC Co collab. I got both sets. And a few extras obviously, so I decided to open these up and show you guys. Okay, the first thing I have is the Wintry Day silver foil bow seals. So these are all silver foiled. There's 7 on here, and I have this extra, but I think that was my freebie because yeah, it's the same as that one. So they usually throw in an extra seal or something as a little like thank you gift, which is really sweet. So those are really pretty. They had a few different ones. I don't know why I went for these ones. I think it's just a pretty mix of pastels on there. There's pinks and blues and purples, so very pretty. Next, I grabbed the Dusk Bunny seals, and these are the little juniper bunnies. These are all rose gold foiled, and they're these beautiful dusky tones. Very pretty. You have the white up here. I love the little patchwork one, and then some purpley mauves, and then some deeper purples down the bottom. Very, very sweet. I love juniper. And this is my journal card. These come with, I think, pretty much every order for a freebie. And I got the little bunnies. It's super cute. Love it. Definitely going to make a washi card with this one. Okay, and then onto the extra washies. I got the Christmas 5mm bow set, and that is the white, the red, and the really deep green with the hot gold bows. Super cute. Then I got the Sugar Plum Floral with the silver foil. So it's this beautiful dusky purpley pink floral with a silver bow. And I am going to unbox these and show you guys because I'm definitely keeping them. Okay, so there you can see that rolled out. Beautiful, really dusky purple with the pink floral and silver bows. So pretty. Oh, you can tell I love this stuff because my voice goes up like almost an entire octave. I just get very excited. I like my washing. Okay, next we have the box sets. So let's go ahead and open them up. They are the same, but the one's 15mm and one's 10mm, so they're a matching set. So there's the 10mm ones and then the 15mm. Okay, so I'm going to put them in their little sets. Okay, I'm not sure what the names are on these, but they're meant to be seasons, I think. So this one is mushrooms and little mice. I don't know how well you'll be able to see that. There we go. Little mouses, very cute, and sort of little confetti foil all through. And this one's gorgeous. This is foxes. Little foxes in the grass with little gold bows, little dragonflies, and very pretty. Then I really like this one. This is the owl one. So you have like birch trees on a blue background with little owls flying around, and then up here you have snow and the sky, and this one has silver confetti foil. And last, but probably my favorite because it's pink and it has the bows on it, this is the bunny washi. So you have the little bunnies, little gold bows. I think they're champagne. And are they champagne gold? Or maybe they're rose gold. It's hard to tell sometimes on the backing color. It can affect how the metallic shows up, but it's this beautiful pink that fades into a really pale pink ombre, and then up the top you have little bunnies and the bows as well. Super cute. I love this one. So that is everything for my haul today. I really hope you enjoyed joining me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.